So if you've dropped your bottle or the bottle has been used on an aircraft, sometimes the breather valve may become unsighted. That can lead to droplets of water coming past the breather valve. It's very simply rectified. To resight the breather valve, it's very simple. Remove the filter, set it aside. Underneath the rim of the filter you will see the breather valve. Simply push on it 3 or 4 times, pop your filter back on, and you're good to go. That should cure the problem. If it doesn't work first time, simply try again, but that ought to clear the problem.